footage of what happens inside a fridge when you close it. Okay, let's go in. Just put you in there. Okay. Here we go. Bye. It's time to rise and fruits of the century come out. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na. Fruits and vegetables, and you. We have big announcements. What? Yeah, what? 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 I mean, what? Well, listen up now. This will be crazy. So, let me tell you the story. Line up in the back of me. Yes, sir. Okay, so this is how the story goes. So, there was a girl, and she specifically get onto it already. Don't tell me what to do. And she specifically decided one day to place a camera in the fridge. And that's that camera right there that you are staring at, that you are staring at, that you are staring at, that you are staring at. That is the camera. Look at it. Let me see. Let me see. I'm going to see. Let me see. That is it. Hey, look at it. Look at it. What is this thing anyways? Don't damage it. It could be something weird. I don't know. Let me just see what it is. Inspecting. Oh, what's this thing? Ooh, I want to play with that. Yeah, let's play with it. Yay. Oh, stupid individuals. They don't understand. Ooh, I want to click this button, and this button, and this button, and that button. Look at it, guys. It's so cool. I know, right? I know, right? Oh. I know, right? Get away from there, guys, because the king is coming, and it's all the king. It's all the king. Get in your placements, guys. I think I hear footsteps. Get in your placements. Oh my god, we need to go. Okay, I'm going to add some junk on the top of the fridge. Let me just get back out there. Okay, guys, nobody's coming. Woo, that's a relief. Yep. Anyways, we're like the best food elements. I know. Get in place now, guys. Okay. I feel like something's missing. Watermelon. What? You pesky individual. Don't you have in mind I'm the smartest here? What's fine. I'll get to mine, I guess. Good, and get in the right spot. Fine. I don't like to get you, little pesky rot. Don't call me a pesky rat. Else I'm gonna snatch your nose off again. Fine. That's what I thought. Anyways, continuing. So they have cameras, and let's keep on playing with it. Here, you go play with it. Fine. Hey, you messed it all up. You need to do this and this and this. Now it's back to normal. You ruined it. Ugh, how can you be this stupid? Stupid. I know what to actually do. What is this? CapCut. I'll edit it. A little bit of brightness. No. Normal. Listen. We're here to mess it up, not here to fix it. So you better get out of the way. Oh, fine. Okay. Put this on and click this button and click this one. That looks fun. Ooh. I want to click this button, and then this button, and then this button. It's so cool. I think I hear somebody coming. It sure is. Let me see. There's somebody coming. We need to go. Ah, dang it. I forgot my iPad in the fridge. Okay, time to check the footage, guys. This is going to be so fun. Okay. I'll see everything that happened. I won't. I'll just keep it a secret forever. But you guys will know, so watch this.